Tja, you can see it. New South Wales, back in Australia, but I'm not in New South Wales. So I drove now here a little bit, the mountains up. What a nice jungle. This is always so fantastic here. And there, some steep mountains here. And this is really already in the nowhere, but this is a fantastic view from here. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. And I go more up the mountains to a hike there, somewhere in the direction. And yeah, I forgot to say where I am. I'm here at the Gold Coast. Very close to Brisbane. Brisbane is only perhaps 80 kilometers in this direction there. And Gold Coast is a little bit more south. Must bring a gum tree with me, I was asked. We will find some gum tree today. What a nice season. And I came from Sydney, and Sydney is already colder this morning and much colder, and here's summer. Here's still summer. Nice. Let's see. So, there was now a visitor center, and first I go here. This is everything a little bit too much touristic here. I have to drive back indeed. There's a map, and there's several walks. There's a walk at the end. No bird feeding, but there's also some other walks I go today. But here's some kind of a round so that's the walk here, and that's the walk. And this walk is not too long. This is only 5 kilometers. That's only 5 kilometers. So that's not really anything, but it is some kind of rainforest walk. And here's some kind of rainforest. So this is completely different to Sydney. What I have seen here, completely different trees here. What's this here for? Construction here over the rock. And the wooden bridge here, rainforest floor. Oh, there's an antenna. Should have best reception. No, nothing here below. Jesus, what a tree! So this is a little bit like in. Yeah, no, this is at the end a little bit like in Sydney, there around, but in the lower parts where it's more rainforesty. Birds. I have to check everything because I come fresh from the airport at the end. So, and I don't have too much time today. It's 1 p.m. and it's going already in direction of winter. No, Yes, the sun is setting at 5. Here, the sun is setting at 5. Oh, there's the first bench to relax. And by the way, this is called the Green Mountains here. And so I have to bird. By the way, this is really dark here. Under all these trees here in the rainforest. I don't know if there's cascading, or how are they called? I'm not sure if this is in English correct here. By young trees, here we have one of these. Bouillon. The black bouillon looks exactly the same as here. With the roots here. Jesus, it's high. It's really high. The first time I see it. Looks also completely different with all the leaves. It's really high. It's very high. This is a tall, very tall tree. Typical rainforest looking like here. That's amazing. This is also the name of the walk here, the bouillon. That's low. A bouillon treetop walk. I think on the right side it goes back then. Oh no, this is the treetop walk. Entrance one way. Entrance one way. It goes back. Mountain gardens. But it's a circuit. I do this later. I go now in this direction. And the lady gave me also a map. But I already know where I have to go. Here this goes till the end. Somewhere. There's a little bit too many people here. Too much noise here. Oh, what's this here? Which direction do I have to go? No entry, exit only. This is the treetop walk. When I come back, I go there. There's a fence. There is some kind of trail here. Interesting. So this is. It smells really nice here. Let's go a little bit down here below. This is the botanical garden. It's written that this is a botanical garden. It's a really nice smell. I don't know where this goes here now. But at the end, this is finished here. I think I have to go here in this direction. I reached quickly the end here. I thought it's 5 kilometers, but we walked there only 10 minutes. And then you are at the end. And I think this doesn't go here. No, it goes here, huh? 10 minutes. It's a little bit, this was a little bit disappointing here. This is not a hiking trail. This is much better here. This was only a short walk, very short walk. Jesus, it's closed. Yeah, this is the botanical garden. Currently, I think in the details with the plants and everything, it's completely unusual. You can see also the sun here above. And there's no light coming through really. In the rainforest. A palms here. So now it goes bird week, whatever here. This is indeed a bridge which goes over along the trees here, top of the trees, and it's not really off the top. This is, I don't know, it's high. It's really high trees here. We could buy some signs here, but they are falling down here now. So that's the other walking track. This was only 1 kilometer north at the end, in the other direction. And this is the Moran Falls walk. There's another walking track in this direction, in the other side. And you can see here a waterfall, or 2 waterfalls, I'm not sure. This is 5 kilometer return. This time I didn't take my backpack. I did take nothing except the camera and the cell phone, because the last time this was really completely unnecessary to take anything with me. So let's see how this looks, because 5 kilometer, this is indeed 1 hour, 30 minutes in one direction and 30 minutes back. But this is very good. Here this is even asphalt. Or even quicker than, I don't know. What is it? I'm not sure. 5 kilometer. Normally it's 3.5 kilometer per hour or something. Can you see? This big rope plant. Jesus, this is like a tree big. If you look here, my hand on my head, it's not small. What a crazy, and this is really high here. The trees, what a crazy tropical landscape. I wanted to make a picture. I don't know where this flower comes from. Look at this strange flower here. What a strange flower. This is typical for Australia. This is something like, I don't know. So, I was a little bit sick the last days. I got some flu or whatever. This was really crazy. I woke up at 2 in the night and then I had really a sore throat, 2 in the night. And from this point it went down, but not too much down. Only running nose dramatically a little bit. The first day I felt unwell and then evening of the first day it went upward again. But still I have a little bit running nose, blocked the nose. I think this is still from the COVID crisis with catching up infections. So, it goes further down here. The battery is not full, by the way. But it's really nice here. I've never been in this type of landscape. This is much more tropical here than in the tropical parts of Sydney, around Sydney. Around Sydney is already tropical. Some parts subtropical, but this here is even more subtropical. So I changed now a little bit my opinion. So I think going north would be really interesting. Further to Cairns, to go really in the tropical rainforest. Then this must be really different. This is already different here. Not too much different, but in detail, yeah, even in detail, even the trees are completely different here. Cliff. Yes, I think here it goes steep down. Yeah, you can see this here. 1 meter further and it goes into the depth. Like on the other side there. I don't know if you can see it, there's people staying there around and it goes down several hundred meters. No, it's not several hundred, perhaps 50 meters. And what a nice view here into the valley. Here, and in the distance are mountains, not so high, but looking really nice shaped. Completely different to the Blue Mountains, where everything is, and there's some wave structure, where everything is a little bit more table mountain like. And I think this is also a different geology. It looks like, I see this already. This is not typical sandstone, something else here, I think. That's it. This was really quick. Everything in this park is protected. So this is where we went here. Here around the corner. And here the Morans Creek. Rough Hill. Birin Kabul Darau. Okay. I think that's for today. No, it's not for today. I think there are some outlooks in this direction. Oh. This is such a... This is such a plant which fell off here from the trees on top. I've seen this already. Interesting. Can't really read it. You have to go here. Wilson Peak. This is this one there, perhaps. This sharp cliff there.